Welcome back. This is your 5-minute shadowing practice. Shadowing helps you train your ears and mouth at the same time, so you learn to speak English naturally. With daily shadowing, your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence improve faster than traditional study. Today, we will practice greetings and polite talk. Listen carefully and speak at the same time. Follow my voice and repeat what I say. Stay relaxed. Don't worry about mistakes. Let's start. Hello, how are you today? Hello, how are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well, thank you. How is your day going? How is your day going? My day is going well. My day is going well. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It's nice to see you again. It's nice to see you again. I hope you're doing well today. I hope you're doing well today. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. May I speak with you for a moment? May I speak with you for a moment? Do you have a few minutes? Do you have a few minutes? Would now be a good time? Would now be a good time? I appreciate you taking the time. I appreciate you taking the time. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you for letting me know. That sounds good to me. That sounds good to me. I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. I'm glad we could talk today. I'm glad we could talk today. I really appreciate your time and support. I really appreciate your time and support. Please let me know if you need anything. Please let me know if you need anything. It was nice talking with you. It was nice talking with you. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great rest of your day. Take care and talk to you soon. Take care and talk to you soon. Goodbye and see you next time. Goodbye and see you next time. Good afternoon. I hope your day is going well. Good afternoon. I hope your day is going well. Hi there. Thank you for taking the time to talk. Hi there. Thank you for taking the time to talk. Excuse me, may I ask you a quick question? Excuse me, may I ask you a quick question? I really appreciate your kindness and support. I really appreciate your kindness and support. Please let me know if this is a good time for you. Please let me know if this is a good time for you. Thank you for your patience. I understand better now. Thank you for your patience. I understand better now. It was great meeting you. I look forward to speaking again. It was great meeting you. I look forward to speaking again. Have a wonderful day ahead and take care. Have a wonderful day ahead and take care.
Well done! Shadowing helps you speak naturally and confidently. Practice this daily. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to get the next practice session. Share this video with friends who want to improve their English too. I'll see you in the next session.